Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Islamic Quiz Journey. Today, we bring you an exciting Islamic general knowledge quiz with 30 thought-provoking questions, each with 4 options to choose from. Test your knowledge about Islam, challenge yourself, and see how many correct answers you can get. Don't forget to keep track of your score and share it with us in the comments. So, let's begin our journey of learning and discovery with Islamic Quiz Journey. Bismillah. What is the Holy Book of Islam? It's Qur'an. Who is the last prophet in Islam? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. How many times a day do Muslims pray? Five times? What is the name of the first Islamic month? Muharram. Which city is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Makkah. What is the direction of prayer in Islam? Qibla. What is the Islamic term for charity? Zakat. Which angel brought the message of Allah to the prophets? Jibril. What is the pilgrimage to Makkah called? Hajj. Which surah is the longest in the Qur'an? Al-Baqarah. What is the Islamic calendar based on? Lunar calendar. What is the term for fasting in Islam? Saum. What is the name of the night when the Qur'an was first revealed? Laylatul Qadr. What is the Islamic declaration of faith called? Shahada. How many chapters are there in the Qur'an? (114). What is the Arabic name for the Day of Judgment? Yawmul Qiyamah. What is the name of the Islamic law? Sharia. Which prophet built the Kaaba with his son? Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. Who is the wife of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, known as the mother of the believers? Hazrat Khadija Raziallah Anha. How many days is Eid al-Adha celebrated? Three. What does Islam mean? Peace and submission. What is the name of the well in Makkah that sprang for Ismail alayhi salam? Zamzam. What is the sacred mosque in Makkah called? Masjid ul-Haram. Who was the first caliph after Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Abu Bakr Raziallah Anhu. What is the name of the Islamic prayer performed at night? Isha. What is the name of the Islamic prayer at sunrise? Fajr. Which prophet could speak to animals? Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. Which month is fasting obligatory? Ramadan. How many wives did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, have? (11) Who was the first martyr in Islam? Sumayyah Raziallah Anha.